When it comes to building footways, or sidewalks as some call them, engineers often face a big question: concrete or asphalt? Both materials are common, but they perform very differently. In this video, we'll compare them head-to-head on durability, cost, comfort, and sustainability, and help you understand which is better for different situations. First, the basics. Concrete is made of cement, sand, aggregate, and water. It's poured into panels, often with expansion joints, and once it hardens, it forms a rigid slab. Asphalt, on the other hand, is a flexible mix of aggregates bound with bitumen, a petroleum product. It's laid hot, compacted with rollers, and cools quickly into a smooth black surface. Concrete sidewalks are long-lasting. They can serve for 30 to even 50 years with proper maintenance. They're rigid so they resist rutting, but they're prone to cracking from tree roots or freeze-thaw cycles. Repairs are difficult to hide. Asphalt footways are more flexible and better at handling small ground movements. They typically last 15 to 25 years, about half the lifespan of concrete, but repairs are easier and blend in more smoothly. Asphalt is cheaper and faster to build. That's why many residential streets and park paths use it. But over time, asphalt needs resurfacing every 10-15 years, which adds to its life cycle cost. Concrete, on the other hand, costs more upfront. But because it lasts longer and requires fewer major repairs, it often turns out cheaper in the long run, especially in busy urban areas. From a pedestrian's perspective, asphalt feels softer and smoother. Many runners prefer it. But asphalt gets hot in summer, absorbing sunlight and contributing to heat islands. Concrete, by contrast, is harder underfoot, but it reflects light better, making footways safer at night. Concrete can also be decorative, stamped, or colored, making it more flexible for urban design. Maintenance is another key factor. Asphalt is easy to repair. Just fill cracks or resurface. Concrete is harder to patch neatly, and slabs may need full replacement once they crack. When it comes to sustainability, both have challenges. Cement production makes concrete carbon heavy. Asphalt comes from petroleum, but it's recyclable. Old asphalt can be reused as RAP, reclaimed asphalt pavement. Concrete lasts longer, while asphalt has the advantage of easier recycling. So, which is better? It depends. Concrete is ideal for long-term city sidewalks, heavy traffic areas, and where aesthetics matter. Asphalt works best for residential neighborhoods, park trails, and projects where budget and speed are top priorities. At the end of the day, both materials have their place. Concrete offers durability and aesthetics, while asphalt offers flexibility and low upfront cost. Civil engineers choose based on location, usage, and budget. And next time you step on a sidewalk, take a look. It tells a story of design decisions beneath your feet.